Good day, everyone. I am Mark Roland Sena, a third year BSIT student from Western Mindanao State University. As an active member of GDG on campus, I've always believed in one thing that technology only matters if it brings people together. I've tried to live that out in the roles I've taken, which are assisting guests on events like DevFest, participating in hackathons and other events like Build with AI Hackathon, led by Google Developers Group, and Batang Techno, led by the Department of Communication Technology. I even helped host one of our Tech Light info session in our university, where we talk about CTFs, hackathons, and an introduction to AI. Throughout my experience, I've come to realize that there are many young developers who are scared to connect, communicate, and participate in events that we held. And that's exactly where I found the problem. In every event I've helped run, I noticed the same pattern. People show up curious, but many hold back from actual connecting. Not because they don't want to, but because it's intimidating to open up to a room full of new faces. We lose potential collaborators, friendships, and even future leaders simply because that first step felt too big to take alone. That gap between showing up and belonging is what I want my chapter to close. My goal is to make sure no member has to feel like an outsider in their own community. I want to build a space, not just events, but real entry points where introduction feels natural and participation feels safe. In my chapter, I plan to launch a body mentor system for first time attendees, small group sessions before major events, info sessions so new students will be introduced to new innovative technologies, and hackathons to foster young developers. With that, we can build more informed and connected community. And I believe this is where GTG and my missions align. I want to lead a chapter that doesn't just teach and explore technology, but use it as a bridge to a community where everyone belongs. Thank you.